It's your boy Legal Rossetti here. Let me take y'all on a trip of what I've been going through the past 2 days. Someone came to one of my properties and dumped 48 tires. I counted 48. It might have been a little bit more, might have been a little bit less. Once I opened the side, I realized that it really was stuffed all the way down to the bottom. I thought they might have just packed some in on top of the trash bags or something. I ended up having to hop in there to take some out. This is the first load right here. I didn't record every single load, but that's one, that's two. I basically had to pay around $3 a piece to dump each one. This is the third and final load right here. I still had a couple on the side that I had to come back and pick up, but yeah, no boundary junk removal.